You can earn over $1,000 today if you follow the simple steps I'll show you in this video. This money-making method is top secret and no one talks about it. You can earn how much you want and whenever you want, simply by using this amazing website. Wouldn't it be great if you could earn money fast on demand? Well, all you need to start making money online using this method is a computer or a smartphone with an internet connection. The best part is that no skills or investments are required. Just with a few clicks of a button, you already made $10 or $20. Hey Money Crushers, welcome back. This is Stacy and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. With inflation reaching its all-time high and people losing their jobs, I had to research and find out a way where all my money crushers can make money just by sitting at their homes. Make sure you watch this video carefully and follow all the steps. I have seen a couple of my friends missing out on a few steps and ended up not getting paid. But don't you worry, your Stacy is right here with her amazing research to guide you all the way. Also, I will be giving away $2,000 to anyone who finds an Easter egg in one of the first 10 videos in August. The winner will be announced on the 30th of September, so make sure you watch all the videos for a chance to win the prize. Now, before I move on any further, I want my Money Crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos. Now, let's learn how to make money fast online. The website I'm talking about is named paidtoreademail.com. I want you guys to head over to that website. This is the website's homepage. You can earn real-life cash just by reading emails and completing surveys. It's divided into 3 simple steps: sign up, read emails, and get paid. As stated here, you will receive daily emails to read. The payout is quick, and the payment threshold is low. You will earn a $3 sign-up bonus for activating your account. You can earn anywhere from 50 cents to $1 for a single task done. Also, you can refer your friends and family to start earning even more with the passive income. I mean, how cool is that? You can sit at home and still earn a bunch of money just by tapping on your phone or a computer. Now, to start earning money using this method, first, you have to register a free account. To do that, head over to the top of the page. You can see this sign-up form right here. Fill this form out with valid information, and when you are done, click on the Sign Up button. It's as easy as it gets. Also, don't forget to activate your account from the verification link that will be sent to your inbox. In order to get paid for reading emails, you have to verify your account. Now, you will be welcomed with this screen right here. A $3 bonus is already added to your account. You will earn money every time they send you an email and you read it. That's all you need to do. On the right side of the screen is your Quick Stats tab. Here you can keep track on how much money and points you earned. Below are some of the featured offers. These offers are currently the highest paying, so be sure to check those out. You can see this paid email button right here. Go ahead and click on it. This is your inbox right here. You will get daily emails into this inbox to read them and earn money from doing so. Also, you have guaranteed 100 emails to read. This website literally wants you to get paid. Be sure to check daily for new emails, because you don't want to miss out on any free cash. Now, I want you guys to head over and click on the Offers button right here, and then click on the All Offers button. Now you will see a list of all currently available offers. Here you can also see the offer's description and how much you will be earning for every offer done. Choose any of the listed offers here and click on the Earn button, and this will open up a new page. From here, you can complete endless surveys over and over again to earn more and more money. There are no limitations, and it is up to you how much you want to work and how much you want to earn. In order to earn points, click on the Points button. On this page, you can choose between different offers to complete and earn points. Later, you can exchange these points for cash. I highly recommend checking out the Referrals page so you can earn more through passive income. Click on the More tab and then click on the Refer Friends button. You'll be credited 15% of your referrals earnings for completing offers, taking surveys, and shopping online. To get your own referral link, click on the Referral Banners button. That will take you to a new page where you can copy the following URL and give it to your friends and family. Also, you can promote this website on social media and get even more people to sign up and earn even more money. Now, before I show you how to withdraw your money, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Money Crush. Also, don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. To withdraw your money, click on the Account button at the top right corner and click on the Request Payment button. Once you reach $15, which you will reach in no time, you will be able to withdraw your money right here. You can also keep track of your withdrawal history right below, under the Payment History headline. If you want to spend your points or to convert them to cash, click on the Redeem Points button. With points, you can buy more guaranteed emails or even buy an Amazon gift card. If you, however, want to convert points to cash, scroll all the way down. You can see here that $1 equals 100 points. So, for every 100 points earned, you get $1. It's up to you if you want to spend points on more guaranteed emails, on an Amazon gift card, or you simply want to convert points to cash. This method is really easy and anyone can do it. You can start earning more money than ever with this simple and useful website I've shown you today. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.